Are you a 9-to-5er who's looking to quit your job and achieve time and financial freedom? Let me show you the easiest way to do that. So step number 1, you're going to want to choose a niche that you love. Now there are 4 main niches: health, wealth, relationships, and hobbies. You can literally choose anything. Try and choose something, like I said, that you love or at least passionate about. So you could choose dogs, makeup, weight loss, dating, affiliate marketing. That is step number 1. Step number 2 is then to choose a proven product in that niche. Now, the easiest way to do this is to head over to Google and type in your niche. So, for example, dogs plus affiliate program. You're then going to get a whole list of programs that you could potentially promote as an affiliate. You want to select a program that you want to promote and sign up to be an affiliate for that program. So step number 3 is to build a simple sales funnel and email sequence. When I say simple, you're talking about a 1-page sales funnel. This is going to allow you to capture your customer's email address in exchange for a free gift, what we would call a lead magnet. Now, this could be something as simple as a free ebook, like this one here, or it could be a mini course, it could be a checklist, something that you are going to give your customer in exchange for their email. Once you have this email, you're then going to build out an email sequence where you can promote your offer as well as any other offers in the future to your customers. Then finally, steps 4 and 5 are creating content about your particular product in your niche and promote that product on the various social media platforms. And that is the 5 steps to achieving financial freedom. If you would like access to my free training that is going to show you those 5 steps to financial freedom, then follow and comment freedom and I'll reach out with the details.